as I rolled out one morning fair, being early as I strayed. It been all on the month of June, the birds sang in the shade. The sun shone down right merrily, the waters that gently glide, where primroses and daisies grow, down by Blackwater side. I scarce had gone but half 1 mile, when there by chance I spied two lovers talking as they walked down by Blackwater side. As he embraced her in his arms, his words unto her did say, when I'm in America, I will be true to my bonny Irish maid. Ah, when you were in America, the Yankee girl you'll find, and you'll have sweethearts of your own, more pleasing to your mind. Do not forget the promises and the vows unto me you made, but stay at home, love, and do not roam from your bonny Irish maid. It's many's the foolish of you, she said, has gone to a distant shore, leaving behind his own true love, perhaps to see no more. It's in crossing of the Atlantic's foam their graves are sometimes made. Oh, stay at home, love, and do not roam from your bonny Irish maid. And so these two young lovers so fondly did embrace, like honey drops on the dew, the tears roll down her face. Say not be a day of while you're away, but I'll visit still these days, until that you return once more to your bonny